Okay dudes, we've got this couple of faults that we can't clear, and faults are on the electrical circuit which controls all this. Like, look, engine mounting solenoid, EGR valve, swerve up control, all that's been deleted, oil quality sensor, oxygen sensor. Okay, so all that is in the fuse number 2, and I'm guessing that's the fuses. It's in here, this fuse, so we shouldn't have put this back. Fucking muppets. Danny said that this mask smells like dog food, and I've been for 3 hours looking for some tools, but we're gonna show you something cool. Okay dude, so we've been looking over and over. I've been looking basically on the internet, where is the fuse boxes for this car, and it told me there is one here.
What's inside?
Yeah, so that's for all your main instruments like lights and stuff in here. Then the other one is in here, but the main fuse that we want is actually hidden under here, under this pollen filter, it's called. So take off the top, it's too small.
Wait, so is that fuse box is basically the one in here, or not?
No, it's a different one that controls all the other stuff. So
what does this one control? The engine?
yeah, this one, well done. This one is the engine management
What about that one?
fuse box. So
wait, the cars normally have 3 fuses.
no, mainly just one, but because it's such a big and complicated car, it has the whole 3.
What does the one in the back bit do? The back?
I need to read actually. I'm not sure. That's a very good question, Daniel.
Uranus, I'm a clever clogs.
Oh man, I need one of those small ones like ratchet. Wait. Okay, I'll go and get it.
Oh, the small one?
Yeah, but very small one. You know which one, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
Yeah,
Ah,
oh, did you see how they look like?
no.
This is what Dan does, no?
No, I said a small one to twist it with. These bolts can be a pain in the ass because water gets in there and they get proper fucked.
Oh, yeah, the
What? Proper fuck.
suspension.
Uh-huh. Well done.
Something.
Well done, yeah, I told you last time.
Helper for Danny. Oh, no.
Man, this socket thing is broken, so it's giving us pain in the bum bum. Get some good tools, guys, get some good tools. And last but not least, Cuntington.
By a horrible cunt.
We call them all Cuntingtons. Oh man.
That car looks like hurricane country. Does it take a while if you want to learn how to be a mechanic?
After observing all the auto awesomeness, my daughter wants to be a mechanic too now.
Kind of. Not really.
Do you need a lot of maths?
No.
Okay, good.
Don't need any maths really. You wanna be a mechanic now?
Kind of.
You should be a mechanic YouTuber.
Oh, I could be a hairdresser as well, but I can go and help Danny in his garage.
Yeah, if Danik has a garage. Take this off, it's getting in the way.
Is these like rubber things around makes like so it doesn't really shut loudly, or does like protect from the rain coming in?
Yeah, and also like for sound, so it's not loud. All sorts of stuff, really.
card? Yes, it's a card.
It's just a really annoying bolt. You need to lift this up and then undo it.
It's quite fun to be a mechanic. Especially the gas part,
When you-
gas in the tube.
When you're working on your car, it's fun, but not when you do it all day for other people.
I used to get paid
OMG.
for it, but
And
they said if you ride a scooter, you only lose money. Yeah, but it's really dangerous. So
OMG.
she said, it's very dangerous because robbers might find
What the hell is that?
Yep.
Oh, what is that?
Computer.
These
Look, it
are the
says
engine
don't
fuses.
switch flo-
We need to get, put this away. Yeah, don't lose bolts, plus we need a screwdriver.
This is actually quite fun.
Of course it's fun. A lot more fun than playing stupid computer games.
Computer.
Okay, dudes. We've got some screwdrivers to take it off. So pull out these fuckers up basically. Lift off this cover. Okay, so these fuses came out. Now, man, this is all very interesting. So you have to push on these fuckers and push it out. Okay, man, they made it tougher than Fort Knox to get into. Easy Germans.
The Germans?
Or you mean the germs, like the Coxsackie virus?
The Germans have really fucking...
The doctor said that it's Coxsackie.
done a good job on this cunt. It's fucking impossible. Okay, get nails under there.
The doctor said that it's Coxsackie.
Fuck.
The doctor said that it's Coxsackie.
That is one tough motherfucker. Okay. Fuse number one.
The doctor said that it's Coxsackie.
Good. Number two. Good. This one. Good. Good. Good.
Dad, what is this show?
I don't know. It's just a German guy listing items and then declaring them good.
Fuses. Engine fuses. Checking.
And then my woman was outside wondering why I was saying, yeah, das ist gut, ja.
Willkommen! Where are we? Das ist gut!
And this one is good.
Okay, Sunsets. Das ist gut.
So,
Sauerkraut. Das ist gut.
the engine management fuses are good.
The Autobahn. Vroom vroom. Das ist gut.
So that wasn't it.
Umpa Music. Das ist gut.
Engine management fuses. Need to show Tom that they're good.
Euthanasia for the mentally feeble. Das ist gut.
Das ist gut is filmed before an audience of the mentally feeble.
God, I wish I could get tickets to that show.
So that means you finally have to buy a new alternator, you fucking Trump bastard.
Okay, let's put them back. put this on a bit of glue.
It's quite likely that that flimsy clip thing will get broken, so some glue probably you have to use sometime, or just buy a new one. But I'm a tramp.
Oh yeah, don't forget to put your fucking rubber back on. Always wear your rubbers, dudes. Always wear them. Okay, now we're going to get the other car and try and jump start it.
Because the Bavarian Black Beauty is dead tired.